I'm in the new Audi RS3. Next to me is a Mercedes-AMG A45. Next to that is the new Honda Civic Type R. Next to that is the new Volkswagen Golf R. And next to that is the Ford Focus RS. We're going to have a mega hot hatch drag race. Now, I should point something out. This Audi and the Merc are both automatic and they have launch control. The other three cars, they're manual, so driver skill is going to matter with those. Also, the Civic is the odd one out. Unlike all the other cars which have all-wheel drive, the Civic is front-wheel drive. Now we're going to see how that plays out right now. Off the line first. Left the A45. That Focus RS is doing so well. My gosh. And that's it. Whoa! I'm amazed by that. I'm amazed. I really thought it was going to be closer between this and the A45. I really did. I think he did as well.
Right then, let's look at the times. The RS3 did the standing quarter mile in 12.2 seconds. The A45 took 12.9 seconds. The Focus RS, 13.5 seconds. And the Golf R and Civic Type R both did 14 seconds. Though looking at the photo finish, it appears the Civic just pipped the Golf right on the line by the smallest bit of garish bumper trim. So, even though the front-wheel drive Civic was slower off the line, it eventually reeled in the Golf R and beat it. The Audi RS3 has a 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbo engine with 400 horsepower and 480 newton metres. It costs from £44,000 and I timed it from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 3.7 seconds. The Mercedes-AMG A45 has a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo engine with 381 horsepower and 475 newton metres. It costs from £42,000 and I timed it from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 4 seconds dead. The Ford Focus RS has a 2.3-litre 4-cylinder turbo engine with 350 horsepower and 440 newton metres. It costs from £32,000 and I timed it from 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds. The Honda Civic Type R has a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo engine with 320 horsepower and 400 newton metres. It costs from £31,000 and I timed it from 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds. Finally, the Volkswagen Golf R has a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo with 310 horsepower and 380 newton metres. It costs from £33,000 and I timed it from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 5.3 seconds. Please bear in mind though that the last three cars all have manual gearboxes, though you can get the Golf with a dual clutch auto like you get as standard with the Mercedes and the Audi. Right then, it's time for the next challenge, a rolling race from 30 miles an hour in second gear. Now it shouldn't matter whether the cars are automatic or manual.
That's it, I'm locked in second. The A45 will do the same because it's an auto as well. Okay, get level. 3, 2, 1, go! The A45 gets off quicker, but now this Audi's coming back! Oh yes! And they passed it! That Focus RS though! And now I'm destroying the field! This Audi is so quick! So quick! And that's 140.
Let's get a quick look at that again from a reverse angle to see what happened. The Focus pulls ahead of the Golf, which is ahead of the Civic. However, the Civic soon makes up ground and passes the Golf and eventually the Focus as well. Meanwhile, the A45 got ahead from the beginning, but the RS3 soon passed it and then pulled away, thanks to its epic engine.